right, rock and rolling. Gonna take that 4 transfer spot through the section. Just roll it and pump it. We want you to make it around safely. Ooh, get your feet even. I think he's gonna be all right. All right, 6 Navi, or no, we're up on something else here. Hold on. 9 Novice on the gate, taking 2 of these guys to the main event. We got Parsons, Crawford, and Massey. Only 2 of them to go.
Set him up. On the gate. Riders ready. Watch your left.
Gate goes down. 422 getting out in a hurry is Massey. Got company on the inside line. Looks to be Parsons. Parsons and Massey running 1-2 right now. Crawford running 3, or the Crawford taking over the 1 spot. Looks like it is Crawford. Crawford and Massey running 1-2 right now. Crawford, Massey, followed up by Parsons. 1, 2, 3 right now.
Come on, Eli. Pedal, 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 Eli. Pedal.
These number plates, I can't read them. We got 120 is Crawford and Massey. Crawford, Massey running 1-2 right now. Parsons running the 3 spot. Through the section right now. Last corner coming at you. Looks to be Crawford, Massey taking 2 over to the main event. Crawford and Massey looking to get it done. Gonna be Crawford, Massey going in for your transfer on that one.